मतलब अभी हम लोग बना रहे थे ऑल हैव डन हमने बनाया, तो वो तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में हो गया है ना। पर वो नहीं बोलते ऐसे में, ऑल आर डन ही बोलना चाहिए।
Which chapter does this sentence belong, Renu?
So this sentence belongs to present perfect tense.
Ask the next question to Aparna.
Uh, Aparna, what is subject here?
All is the subject here. What is helping verb here?
भाभी have is the helping verb here। भाभी दीदी रेनू
I
भाभी,
asked you.
हाँ हाँ, रेनू भाभी what is done here?
Done is the third form of the verb.
Renu, ask the Hindi meaning of subject to Aparna.
Aparna, what is the Hindi meaning of all?
No, subject.
Subject. Sorry. What is the Hindi meaning of subject?
Karta. And the Hindi meaning of subject is karta.
So, ladies, let me ask Sarika. Sarika, who is subject in this sentence?
Sir, all is the subject in this sentence।
Aparna, what is the subject doing here?
Subject all have done.
Okay. You ask this question to Renu. Renu will ask to Sarika and Sarika will ask to me.
What is subject is doing here?
Aparna, subject is doing something. It is not mentioned, it is doing something. Uh, Sarika, what is subject doing here?
Actually, the Bhabhi subject is not doing anything here. All have done। Sir, what is subject doing here?
The subject.
What is the subject doing here?
Sarika, the subject is doing the action of do. कर्ता यहाँ पे करने का काम कर रहा है, तो कर्ता क्या कर रहा है? उसने कुछ कर लिया है। किसने कर लिया है? किसने? जैसे ही आप सवाल पूछेंगे, रेनू किसने किया है ये काम?
All have done some. All have done. कर्ता ने किया है ये काम।
Aparna, who has played this game?
All have played this game.
ये गेम किसने खेला है?
ये 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 गेम सबने खेला है।
Correct. Sarika, who has sung the latest ghazal of Jagjit Singh?
Sir, all have sung the latest ghazal of Jagjit Singh।
I'm sorry, I'm rectifying my sentence. Sarika, who has sung the national anthem?
Sir, all have sung the national anthem।
राष्ट्रीय गीत किसने गाया है?
सर, सबने राष्ट्रीय गीत गाया है।
So, sub is all is subject here, and subject is doing this one, this way, this way. है बड़ी मजेदार चीज और छोटी सी है, बस a little wait. You need a little wait. We have just reached the boundary of passive voice, and you will be very happy. But I'm little bit confused and thinking how will I execute this process, because here physically everybody comes here, every student during the passive voice. The process of passive voice is, and if you want to see the video is available on YouTube. Jhasar passive voice, if you type, you will get it. I think once I have mentioned this thing, you also think about it and suggest me something. Yes, you can. Go ahead. Correct. Yes. I have one more. I will go to market within a couple of days and I will inquire about it. Board will be costly to buy, but when I started class, very first starting in Dikshitpura, I remember there used to be a folding blackboard of, I don't know, 50 rupees. Hardly it will be of 100 rupees available in the market.
Sir, I used to use during my B.Ed session folding blackboard.
Yes, yes. So just buy it. uh, and a box of chalk, 10 rupees hardly. Small boxes are available in stationery. Just go for it, and it will be useful for your children, or sometimes for reminder. Sometimes what happens, we write down a reminder for home, kitchen, and all. So later on, you can use it for reminder, and if you have little kids, they will be using it.
I'm having whiteboard as well because Rudraksh is practicing sums on
It is
that.
a small one. I know it.
Ha.
It is a small one. You need a big one. And
Okay, I'll
folding
show you.
blackboard is
I'll
enough.
show you.
I
Can
know.
I
I have
show?
written. I know because once when I visited Bombay, I wrote there one sentence. Uh, there is no path to peace. Peace is the path. I wrote this sentence. I have picture. I do have pictures there. There is no path to peace. Peace is the path. I wrote this sentence on that whiteboard. It is a small one, but you can just within a couple of days we can have a little bit a practical experiment, because sometimes the sentences will be big. So you will have to use very small letters. You can see the video of YouTube. Bhavi will share any video of YouTube. Then the picture will come in your mind. Ki, oh, this is the process. This is how we execute it. This is how we execute it. Which chapter did I use?
Passive
Clause.
voice. Clause. अच्छा हाँ.
Clause. This is clause. This is the use of clause. This is how we execute it. इस तरह से हम इसको फलीभूत करते हैं. Video, there is a problem in network, I think. My screen is showing video quality. Let me switch the network and
Rober is a noun. Robbed, robbed.
Okay.
The second form of rob should be robbed.
Sarika asked the spelling to Aparna of second form.
जी अपर्णा जी what should be the spelling of the second form of rob?
The second form of rob, the spelling of second form of rob should be ROBBED. Robbed.
Aparna asked in English to Renu कि इसमें डबल बी क्यों लग रहा है.
Renu Bhavi, why we are using double B here? Why are we using double B here?
We are using double B here because the vowel A E I O U. Uh, if it comes, then that letter convert into two.
Ask about the third form to Sarika.
Sarika, what is the third form of verb of rob?
Bhabhi, the third form of rob should be robbed.
Sarika asked
जी अपर्णा दी what should be the verb for chukna? Chukana, sorry. What should be
Chukana.
the verb for chukana?
The verb for chukana should be pay. What should be the second form of the pay, Renu Bhavi?
The second form of pay should be paid.
ask about the spelling, Renu.
Sarika, what should be the spelling of paid?
Bhabhi, the spelling of paid should be P-A-I-D. Aparna di
Gen-
what? जी
Generally, it happens in the class. The spelling is PAID. PAID. So many students speak like this. Slip of tongue. It is called slip of tongue.
जी Aparna di what should be the third form of pay?
The third form of pay again, paid. The third form of pay should be paid.
Guessing करवा लो अपर्णा.
Renu Bhavi, what should be the exact meaning of this sentence? Should be बोल रहे हो
To
exactly बोल रहे हैं. What should be the meaning of this sentence?
Sir,
to
can
rob
you
Peter to pay Paul.
Though it's not easy, yet try.
करे कोई भरे कोई?
Nice. Here we go.
To rob Peter to pay Paul. 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली.
To rob Peter to pay Paul, 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली.
To rob Peter to pay Paul. 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली. If any don go to for Hajj, so it means to rob Peter to pay Paul. अगर कोई डॉन कर्म कांड करने के बाद हज को जाता है तो मतलब क्या वो तो 100 चूहे खाकर बिल्ली हज को चली. और क्या होना चाहिए रेनू भाभी?
हाँ, नॉन वेजिटेरियन person left the having non-veg and convert to vegan diet. So we can say na कि to rob Peter to pay Paul.
Uh, Ladies, do you know the easy meaning of social चूहे खाकर? Can anybody explain in simple words?
Matlab, you have made so many mistake and you have made blunder in your life, and then you are showing yourself as a
Saint.
saint. Just like क्या Mallika Sherawat nowadays wearing sari. ऐसा सौ चूहे खा के बिल्ली to rob Peter to Paul to pay Paul.
Means that they only pretend कि they are innocent, but they are not like that. मतलब वो वैसे ही रहते हैं पर वो शो ऐसे करते हैं अपने आप को कि हम अब अच्छे हो गए हैं, उस मतलब में बोलते हैं.
Yes. Let's see according to English. To rob Peter, you are robbing something. एक व्यक्ति को तो आप लूट रहे हैं. To pay Paul, और फिर आप यहाँ जाके दान दक्षिणा करवा रहे हैं, फोटो खिंचवा के पेपर में दे रहे हैं. So this is the meaning. To rob Peter, to pay Paul. एक तरफ लोगों को लूट रहे हैं, देश को खसोट रहे हैं, फिर संत महात्मा बनने के लिए पेपर में फोटो खड़े हो जाते हैं, 1 दर्जन केले लेके खड़े हो जाते हैं, वहां पहुंच जाते हैं हॉस्पिटल में, व्हाट्सएप में खूब आया है, सिंगल केला दे रहे हैं और 6 लोग खड़े हुए. हम्म.
During Chunav, mostly Neta goes to Mandir to pay tribute. चुनाव के दौरान and this is called to rob Peter to pay Paul. चुनाव के दौरान बहुत सारे नेता मंदिर मंदिर जाते हैं और उनको श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं. देखा गया जैसे कि 100 चूहे खा के बिल्ली.
This is today's infected sentence. Do you have the guts? Can anybody guess the Hindi?
सर क्या आप में वो हिम्मत है?
Generally, in local language, we say Ahmad. Uh, you can start creativity or simple as you wish.
So many people used to say that I can do this, I can do this. So once I asked him, do you have the guts? So you can do. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते रहते हैं कि मुझे ये करना, मैं ये कर दूंगा वो कर दूंगा, पर मैंने एक दिन पूछा कि आपकी है हिम्मत करने की, तो दे डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग, दे कुड नॉट से, कुछ नहीं बोल सकते.
I want to ask to Rahul Gandhi कि whenever he speaks always wrong about the Modi ji and the government. So I want to ask him कि do you have the guts to change the situation of our country? मैं उनसे पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने है हिम्मत कि आप देश की स्थिति को चेंज कर सको.
I asked one of my friend, "Do you have the guts to speak in public?" मैंने अपनी एक सहेली से पूछा, क्या तुमको पब्लिक में बोलने की हिम्मत है?
This is similar. Uh, do not make long sentence. Try to change the subject and chapter if you want. Like I'm starting.
सर,
Okay, Renu.
सर फर्स्ट यू.
Are the militants having guts to come to Jabalpur and perform anything? आतंकवादियों में है दम कि जबलपुर में आके कुछ करके दिखाएं. I'm
सर
using having pattern is multi-purpose pattern. Whether you are using continuous tense, but the meaning is present simple.
one should have the guts, one should have the balls to do whatever they said. हर किसी को जो उसने कहा है वह करने की हिम्मत होनी चाहिए.
रेनू, यहाँ पे जो उसने कहा है किसी और की ओर इशारा है कि जो खुद ही ने कहा है? हाँ, तो फिर यहाँ पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव बहुत सावधानी से, दोनों में एक ही पॉजिटिव एडजेक्टिव आएगा.
डस पाकिस्तानी टीम, इसमें हैविंग करके कर सकते हैं.
वो
इस
बड़ा फ्री फ्लोइंग होता है.
जी, is Pakistani team having the balls to defeat Indian team next match, upcoming match? क्या पाकिस्तान की टीम में आने वाले मैच में इंडिया को हराने की हिम्मत है?
I'm little confused. The spelling of ball is correct or wrong? Ball.
BALL. जी.
Now anybody has anybody has the ball to speak with me in English. है किसी की हिम्मत अब मेरे सामने इंग्लिश में बात करने की? I can reply. No.
रेनू, एक सेंटेंस बना के बताओ, क्या उसमें है हिम्मत?
Does he have the balls?
सारिका, क्या उसमें थी हिम्मत?
Did he have the
उसमें
did he
फीमेल
has the अच्छा
फीमेल
did she has the balls?
हम्म, अपर्णा, क्या उनमें होगी हिम्मत?
Will they have the balls?
बस इतने प्रैक्टिकल बनते हैं, ज्यादा इससे ज्यादा हमें जाने, वी डू नॉट नीड टू गो। Okay, Sarika will tell me which chapter. The Sarika will tell me the chapter going on in the batch.
Sir, be present is going on in the batch.
Okay. Aparna will tell me the last sentence.
Be present. एक
So the last sentence is ये बहुत जरूरी है. It is must.
Nice, thank you. The next sentence is यह 2 रुपए का है. Who made the last sentence? Do you remember?
I made the last sentence.
Whose go is this?
Sir, mine.
Really?
This sentence belongs to be present. It is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is this. Then I will take the main verb, and the main verb is is. Thereafter, I will take the preposition, and the preposition is for. ये 2 रुपए का है. Then I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective and noun is 2 rupees. And the sentences it is of 2 rupees. Sir, ये ऑफ और फॉर में क्यों फर्क आ गया? ये 2 रुपए
No,
का है.
it's not a problem. You will come over it automatically. Don't worry.
It is of 2 rupees.
Sarika, how much of it?
Sir, it is only 10 rupees.
Come again.
Acha. Sir, it is of 2 rupees.
No, you can change the amount.
जी.
Sarika, how much of it?
Sir, it is of 30 rupees.
ये कितने का है सारिका?
सर ये 30 rupees का है. अपर्णा दी, how much is of this?
How much is of this? It is of 50 rupees.
ये कितने का है?
यह 50 रुपए का है. रेनू भाभी, how much of it?
हम एक और राउंड खेलेंगे अभी.
How much is? Come
How
again.
much is it?
How much is it? It is of 5 rupees. It is of 5 rupees. Okay.
How much
Sir,
of is it? It will do how much of is it?
Sir, Sarika has told, मतलब ask how much is of it this. वो मुझे तो कंफ्यूजिंग ही
I
लगा.
was wrong, na sir?
हाँ, I
No. Let's, Renu ask me.
okay. Sir, how much is of it?
It is of 350.
Okay. ये कितने का है?
ये 350 रुपए का. Sarika, how much is this?
Sir, it is 75. It is of 75 rupees.
ये कितने का है सारिका?
सर ये 75 rupees का है. अपर्णा दी, how much is this? How much is it?
It is of 100 rupees. Renu Bhabhi, how much is it?
It is for 1000 rupees. Okay, sir. How much is this?
It's unvaluable.
Sir, this unvaluable. Okay. Sir, ये
ये
कितने का है?
बहुमूल्य. ये
बहुमूल्य.
बहुमूल्य.
Okay.
तीसरा राउंड जो प्रैक्टिकल है लेडीज. सरिका, हाउ मच?
How much only, na? Sir, it is of 400 rupees.
कितने का?
सर ये 400 rupees का.
दिस इज प्रैक्टिकल सेंटेंस. वास्तव में जो बोलते हैं वो हाउ मच किसी की तरफ भी अपन इशारा, हाउ मच. या फिर दूसरा तीसरा सेंटेंस है व्हाट इज द कॉस्ट ऑफ, ऐसा पूरा सेंटेंस. लेकिन हाउ मच ज्यादा चलता है. सर हाउ मच?
जी. अपर्णा दी, how much?
It is 100 rupees. फिर से 100 बोलो. How much? How much is it?
It is for 250. It is of 250. Okay, how much?
It is 750. It is not 750.
सर ये कितने का है? कितने का?
750 का. Next sentence is network is creating problem, ladies. So be prepared mentally. Anytime it can be vanished. The next sentence is शायद तो कहीं है ही नहीं.
सर ये आपने करवा दिया था ना?
ये
हाँ, there is no helping verb.
Okay, very nice. Should I give you one sentence, 5 minutes, or should we conclude?
जी सर.
As you wish.
Should I?
As you
Okay.
wish.
वह दूरंदेशी है.
मीन्स
Just
दूरदर्शी ना, दूरदर्शी जी. Sir, I have to make this sentence, and this sentence belongs to be present, and it is an affirmative sentence. Firstly, I will take the subject, and the subject is she or he. Later on, I will take the main verb, and the main verb is. Lastly, I will take the adjective or noun, and the adjective or noun is far-sighted. And I will put full stop at the end of the sentence. The sentence is she is far-sighted.
have you ever heard visionary?
Yes, sir, visionary.
Both are synonyms. Renu, who is far-sighted?
Sir, Amrita is far-sighted.
कौन दूरदर्शी है?
अमृता दूरदर्शी है. Aparna, who is far-sighted?
I am far-sighted.
कौन दूरदर्शी है?
मैं दूरदर्शी